The next step is going to be basic search concepts. First thing we're going to go over is indexing. Indexing is the process of transforming a portal asset to a search engine index document. Every searchable asset type has a model document contributor. In versions prior to 7.1, search and indexing was accomplished with one single indexer class, extending a base indexer. The new pattern is based on the API-SPI model and composition of multiple worker components. Although it's deprecated, the old approach still does work in 7.2. We also have analysis, which is a field-level process of transforming input data to search engine data. This runs both the index time and the search time, and there's different phases. Character filtering, like removing HTML tags, tokenizing the field value to obtain individual words or tokens, and token filtering, which is language-specific analysis, stop words removal, and other things. This can be configured for each field individually in the mapping definitions. Just a quick diagram on how indexing works. We have Liferay on the left and Elasticsearch on the right. What happens is an asset is persisted to the database. We're going to determine whether it's indexable, which means that it's searchable, and then we're going to send that to the search engine, which is Elasticsearch. Elasticsearch is going to run its index time analysis. It's going to be doing things like character filtering, tokenizing, and token filtering, and it's going to create an inverted index. For searching, we can send a search query and obtain results, also known as hits, from the search engine. The search query analysis should match the index time analysis, and searching involves queries and filters. What is a query? So a query asks whether an index document field matches the keywords in a defined way. A query may define how relevant the document field is to the search terms, and we'll give that a score. And the query properties usually include things like a type, that's like exact match or wildcard, an operator, like and, or not, and field boosting. We also have a filter query, which is like a regular query, but it works in a filter context. So that only returns a simple yes or no to its condition. These are usually used to limit results belonging only to a certain site. Filter queries do not affect scoring, and they are much faster than regular queries. Using filters is preferred whenever possible. Another quick diagram on how searching works in Liferay. So a user inside of Liferay will submit a query, whether that's through some API or some action. That'll be processed in the post-indexer processors and search contributors. From there, it's going to be sent to the search engine, which is Elasticsearch, where again, Elasticsearch will analyze it using its search time analysis, do all the relevant character filtering, tokenizing, and token filtering, create that inverted index, and then return those results back to Liferay. Liferay will then process those returned results using its hits processors, search contributors, post-filtering, and then show the results in the UI. Okay, we're back for the summary. The first one is going to be indexing is a process of transforming input data to a search engine document, which is the storage model type for search engines. In Elasticsearch, there are 3 phases: character filtering, tokenizing, and token filtering. And the third one is searching, is sending a search query and obtaining results, also called hits, from the search engine.